We'll guide you through how to fix the Google Play Store not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're trying to go and get an app or update an app perhaps. We're keeping this guide broad as you may be facing an issue where it's not loading, an app's not downloading. To get started, come to the bottom and go and press on the icon with the 3 lines. Find the Play Store and you can swipe up on it and then just try reopening it. Sometimes doing a restart like that can go and solve the problem. If it doesn't, still not working, and what you want to do is you want to go and swipe up, find settings. If you struggle to find it, you can use the search bar at the top or keep swiping across until you can find it. In here, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for apps. Go and wait for this to go and load. It shouldn't take too long. Now go and scroll down. This is alphabetical, so come all the way down. You can find Google Play Services and tap there. And you're going to go and scroll down and go and find storage and press clear cache in the bottom right. Then we're going to come back here and come down again, Google Play Store. Tap there, scroll down and find storage and press clear cache in the bottom right. Then what you can do is try opening it up again. Then what you can try doing is just tapping to a different page and try using it, and hopefully that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, what you can do is go and tap and hold the side button on your device, find the option for restart and tap there and press restart again. When it comes back on, hopefully the problem is then solved and you're able to go and use it again.